blowing this thing up. Just blow everything. Blow up. Hey everybody, DTE Gameland here, and welcome to my custom spawn egg tutorial. This tutorial only takes up 2 command blocks. Command block number 1, command block number 2. Okay, let's get straight to this. So custom spawn eggs are like when I place a TNT trap. As you can see, it blows up and it's like that effect. So basically these custom spawn eggs are where you take a spawn egg and then when you summon it, it makes an effect. To make this tutorial, you need 2 command blocks. First command block is a repeating command block. It's on always active, and you type in /execute @E, and type in then. On your keyboard, right next to the P, there is an open bracket. Just click that. It doesn't have to be a squiggly bracket. Type in name, click equals, and then type in whatever name you want it to be. This is going to be called test. And that's good enough. Then you put in 3 tildes. By the way, if you have no clue where the tildes are located, they're right next to the 1 on your keyboard, and you need to use shift in order to access them. Otherwise, they'll look like that. Okay, that's beside the point. Then you put a slash. Now here you put in whatever command you want. But for now, for this test, we're going to put /summon PrimedTnt. No, like this, TNT. Make sure, if you're gonna copy my thing, make sure it's spelled exactly like this. Then put another 3 tildes. These represent the coordinates of where the thing spawns once you activate this. Okay, now we're good with that. The next command block is, well, we want to get rid of test. So what we just do is we place the command block. This needs to be a chained, it needs to be unconditional, and it needs to be on always active. Now let's type in /TP @E, and again we type in name not type, equals test, because that's what we need the other one. Now, you can rename the test whatever you want. I highly suggest you don't call it test because, really. And then you put the relative coordinates, but on the second one, type in -1000. The reason you want that is, well, guess what? We're teleporting it really far down because we want to get rid of it. And we don't like the death animation, which is why we're not using the /kill command. So basically, you must make sure that the name, test, is the same on both of these commands. And here we go. I'll show you how this thing works. So all this is a slime renamed test. So let's get straight to it. So just place the thing down, and as you can see, it summons in TNT. That, of course, activates on launch. But as you can see, in a split second, you can actually see the spawn. Although not all of the explosions. But yeah. So what you can do into this entity or contraption thingy is if you place the command block down here and you do this really quickly, it'll add in a whole bunch of NBT tags. Now, all you need to pay attention to is what's in here, where it says activates event, because I copied it. So here you write whatever you want, and that'll be its lore. That'll be kind of its description. So let's add for this one Summmons TNT. Then here, where it says activator, now note, this is a whole command key. Where it says activator, you type in the actual name of whatever you're using. In this case, we are going to rename that test. Wait, test. Okay, there we go. Now we have it, test and the activator. Another cool thing that you might want to go look at is, see up here where it says entity ID cow. You can just leave it here, but if you want to change it to like pig, then you can do that. This will work. So now let's activate this thing with our redstone block, which should give us a spawn egg. Now as you can see, what this thing does is the same as essential hook, but it's enchanted and it shows the cool little features. That's just some cool little features that you can add to this contraption. Okay, I'm gonna finish up this tutorial. Hope you guys have enjoyed, and if you did, hit that like button down below, and also hit that subscribe button, because that's what really keeps me going. And I guess I'll just say goodbye and see you in my next one command, or command wars. Bye!